Hey guys, it's Goode. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this early 2000s inspired hairstyle. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking my wide tooth comb and making sure my hair is completely detangled. No naps, no kinks, no nothing. Alright, so next I'm going to take this rat tail comb and begin to part my hair for the top knot. I'm going to start behind one ear and go up and over to the other ear. I don't want to go across my head to the other ear because I don't want that much hair, and I want the top knot to be at the very top of my head. And then with my fingernails, I'm just going to part the little bang pieces that I have in the front. I'm doing them right above my eye and just making sure it's just a little amount of hair. I don't want too much hanging down. And then I'm just going to take this soft bristle brush and make sure the ponytail is completely smooth before I secure it with a hair tie. Alright, and now to create the top knots, I'm just going to take the ponytail, wrap the hair around, and then wrap it around the base. As I continue to wrap it, I'm going underneath where I wrapped originally. I hope that makes sense. So once I get to the end of the ponytail, I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin, and that's basically it. After that, I bump the ends of my hair, including the bang pieces, but that's the final result.